Hello people, this is Devasis and welcome to this video. In this video, I will talk about Campus Affidavit which is required in Cognizant during background verification process. Specifically, I will talk about the mistakes that generally people do in Campus Affidavit and what to do if your uploaded Campus Affidavit gets rejected. So let's start. First, we have to know what is Campus Affidavit. It is a document which is required for only fresher candidates. That means if you are in your 7th or 8th sem and you do not have your degree or provisional certificate with you, then you have to upload this Campus Affidavit which says that you will give your degree certificate once you get it from your college in future. So this Campus Affidavit is not at all required for those candidates who are not fresher or they have their degree certificate with them. Now, I will talk about the general mistakes that people often do while preparing this document. In the portal of Cognizant, they have given the format for Campus Affidavit. You have to print that out, but keep in mind that you should print that only in a 100 rupees stamp paper. Here, people do the mistake by just simply printing the format in normal paper sheet. If you are printing this format for Campus Affidavit in the normal paper sheet and uploading it in the portal, then it will get rejected automatically during the verification. So that is why print the format in 100 rupees stamp paper only and then get it signed by a notary and put your own signature also. Then you can upload the document in the portal and it will get accepted for sure. So keep in mind that stamp paper and notary work is must needed, so don't skip that. Okay, now let's talk about what you can do if you have already uploaded the Campus Affidavit without doing this stamp or notary work. You should wait, and after some day Cognizant will send you a mail stating that you have uploaded the improper Campus Affidavit. And this will look like this. Once you get this mail, now you can prepare the correct Campus Affidavit by doing the stamp paper and the notary work that we have discussed earlier. Now let me show you my Campus Affidavit so you can get a proper idea how this Campus Affidavit actually looks like. So here you can see that I have used 100 rupees stamp paper for the first page, and for the second page you can use any paper. It can be a 1 rupee or 2 rupee stamp paper, and you can see the notary signature here also. So this is how your Campus Affidavit should look like. Now you can upload this document in the portal, and after this your job is done. It will get accepted automatically for sure in some days. Note: keep this Campus Affidavit with you till you are onboarded in the company completely. So that's it for this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel. And you can suggest me any topic on which you want a video. Thanks. Let's meet in the next video. Take care.